I welcome you to MatheMagic with ALIMI AbdulAkeem. So you have some questions under numbers and numeration that we want to solve. So let's look at the first question. First question states, if 3x minus y is equals to 12, what is the value of 8 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power y? So let's write out the questions out, the values we have in the question out. So the first one we are writing is 3x minus y is equals to 12. And the second one is 8 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power y. So let's solve this 8 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power y. We can look at it that from the numerical value of the numerator and the denominator, the numerical value there is 8 for the numerator, while the numerical value for the denominator is 2. We have things common there. We have something common there. We know it for a fact that 2 is a factor of 8, while 8 is a multiple of 2. So we can express both the numerical value of the numerator and denominator as an index number, as a number with power. What do I mean? So I can rewrite this for my numerator to become 2 raised to power 3 raised to power x divided by this will become 2 raised to power 1 raised to power y. Because 2 raised to power 3 will give us 8 and 2 raised to power 1 will give us 2. Since we are having it in an index form, so for us to solve this further, we have to apply a law under the laws of indices. We have different laws of indices, but there's a particular one that is related to this that will allow us proceed to solve this question. What does the law state? It states that a raised to power m raised to power n will become a raised to power m times n, can also be written as a raised to power what? Mn. So that means I'm multiplying the power. So if I apply the same thing here, I'll be having 2 raised to power 3 times x divided by 2 raised to power what? 1 times y. So when I have this will become 2 to the power of what? 3x divided by 2 raised to power 1 times y will give us what? Y. So how do I solve this further too? This one is under an index form. This is a power. I have power here, 2 raised to power 3x, and I also have 2 raised to power y. So how do I solve this? I can also, there's a certain law under the law of indices that we can use, that we can apply to solve this further. And what is the law? What is the law here? We have this law, which is the second law. We have it as a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n will become a raised to power m minus n, or can also be written as a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n will become a raised to power m minus n. So if I apply the same thing here now, they're having the same base, they have a common base, which is 2 and 2 from the question, but from the law, they have a common base of what? A and A. So I will have this to now become 2 raised to power 3x minus y. So I've been able to establish this, and I've been able to solve 8 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power y to become 2 raised to power 3x minus y. So let's recall from the question. We are to recall from the question, we have 3x minus y is equals to 12. Let me name this equation triangle. So what do I do here now? What do I do here now? Just substitute or put equation triangle into 2 raised to power 3x minus y. When I put it there, what do I have now? I will be having 2 raised to power 3x, since it has been stated that 3x minus y is equals to 12. So I'll be having 2 raised to power 3x minus y will now become 2 raised to power 12. Final answer. So I've been able to solve 8 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power y under the condition of 3x minus 2y equals to 12 to become 2 raised to power 12. Final answer. So let's look at the next question now. For the second question now, we have the equation 24x squared plus 25x minus 47. Everything divided by ax minus 2 is equals to minus 8x minus 3 minus 53 divided by ax minus 2. It's true for all values of x is not equals to 2 divided by a, where a is a constant. What is the value of a? So how do we solve this? Let's write out the question. So we have this to be 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 divided by ax minus 2 is equals to minus 8x excuse me please, minus 3 minus 53 divided by ax minus 2. What do we do here now? The first thing we are going to do, which we know, before I proceed, we know that for this one now, for a whole number, the denominator for a whole number is 1. So that means let's find the lowest common denominator, LCD. So what will be the lowest common denominator of ax minus 2, 1, and ax minus 2? The lowest common denominator of ax minus 1 and ax minus 2 will give us ax minus 2. So the next thing I'm going to do is what? I'll multiply through by the lowest common denominator, which is what? Ax minus 2. When I multiply these two, what will it be? I have ax minus 2 times 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 divided by ax minus 2 is equals to ax minus 2 times minus 8x minus 3, and we have an invisible plus here. So I have this one here, that's ax minus 2 also times minus 53 divided by ax minus 2. So let me solve my arithmetic here, which we all know this numerator ax minus 2 will cancel this, while this will cancel this. So for me to solve further, what do I have here now? I will have this from my left hand side. This will become 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 equals to ax minus 2 minus 8x minus 3 plus minus 53. So I will have this to now become 24x squared plus 25x minus 47. So let me solve the right hand side. When I open my bracket, I will have ax open bracket minus 8x minus 3 minus 2 open bracket minus 8x minus 3 close bracket. Plus times minus will give us what? Minus. That's minus 53. So if I solve further, I'll be having 24x squared plus 25x minus 47. If I open this will become minus 8ax squared minus 3ax plus 16x plus 6 minus 53. So let me write further. I'll be having 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 is equals to minus 8ax squared plus, since x is common here, I'll have this to become minus 3a plus 16x plus 6 minus 53. That's what? Minus 47. So when we look at the left-hand side and the right-hand side, we look at their variable here now. You can see we have x squared, we have x, and we have a constant of minus 47. This constant of minus 47 and minus 47 on both the left-hand side and the right-hand side, they will cancel each other out. So we are left with 24x squared plus 25x on the left-hand side and minus 8ax squared plus minus 3a plus 16 all x. So let's equate them according to the power of their variable. So when I equate them according to the power of their variable, I'll be having 24x squared is equals to minus 8ax squared, and I'll have 25x is equals to minus 3a plus 16x. When I have that now, what's the first thing? Let me solve this. For me to solve this, what do I have here now? I have 24x squared is equals to minus 8ax squared. When I have that, since it is common, this one will cancel each other out. When they cancel each other out, I'll have 24 divided by minus 8a. So the next thing I'm going to do is what? I'll divide both sides by the coefficient of a, since we are looking for a, by the coefficient of a, and the coefficient of a there is what? Minus 8. So what do I have here now? This will give me 24 divided by minus 8 is equals to minus 8a divided by what? Minus 8. This will cancel, 8 will cancel, 8 will cancel 8. Is 1, 1, 8 here 1, 8 here 3. So what do I have here now? My a will become minus 3. So I've been able to establish the value of my a for the first one. So let's check for the second one now. For the second one now, so I have 25x is equals to minus 3a plus 16 all x. So this x will cancel this x as expected. So what do I have next? I'll be having 25 is equals to minus 3a plus 16. What's the next thing I'm going to do? What I'll collect like terms. And when I collect like terms, what are we going to be writing here? That will become 25 minus 16 equals to minus 3a. So this will become 9 equals to minus 3a. So what do we do here now? I'll divide also. I'll also divide through by the coefficient of a, which is minus 3. When I divide by the coefficient of a, which is minus 3, I have 9 divided by minus 3 equals to minus 3a divided by minus 3. So they will cancel each other out. This will become 3. This is 1. This is 3. This is 1. 1. The negative will cancel each other. So I'll have my a is also equals to what? Minus 3. So since I'm having my a, I've been able to establish the value of my a here as negative 3, and also the value of my a here to what? Negative 3. Therefore, the value of my a is what? Negative 3. So I've been able to get the value of my a to be negative 3. So if you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.